Okay, hi, this is Mr. Roche again. Here is kind of a helper video to try to figure out the merge thing. What I did was I made some pointers because I got a list and I needed an indexer to like the list, and I got a list up here and I need an indexer to that, and I have a third list which we made in class, and I need an index to that basically. And then basically I'm going to run a while loop while there's still more stuff um, to put into the third list to kind of join. Okay, so while either one of the other lists are still going, then I'm going to kind of run this. Okay, I did it with a while loop, and then what I'm going to do is I made a if then test to sort of check and see if I could keep doing this and do a see if the lists were free. I mean, there were still objects on both lists to kind of work on. And then if one's bigger than the other, and I'm kind of letting you guys do the work for this, I'm going to move the value from the list. Okay, like if this basically this one's if list one has the lower number, then you're going to move this onto the list. You're going to move the pointer up because you stuck something on it, and you're going to move the pointer up for one because you're moving it. Otherwise, it's like list two's the better one. So you're going to do this, and then you're going to check this and put it onto the list, and then you're going to bump up list 2 and list 3. Okay, then in these ones you just have to check and see if if you get to this part of the code, then either list 1 is exhausted or list 2 is exhausted, and you have to kind of deal with that. Okay, so if this one's exhausted, then you're going to have list 2 stuff, and you're just going to put all the list 2 stuff on board. Okay, and the same thing with this one. If you get to this point, then everything in list 2 is exhausted, but there's still some stuff in list 1, so you move that on to list 3. Okay, and then I wrote some stuff here to sort of see what the list looked like here before I sent it back. It seems like it's working okay, and that's what I have.